How to stop everyone following you on Twitter. Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you a simple method to block and stop anyone following you on Twitter account, and it's working both Apple and Android devices. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Twitter account. Then you need to scroll to the right side to open your account. As you see guys, I have blocked and stopped everyone following you. Then if you want to do the same as this account, just go to the bottom and tap on settings and privacy section. Then guys, go directly and tap on settings and privacy. Then go directly to the fourth one, privacy and safety section. As you see guys, on the top there is audience and tagging. Then click on audience tagging. Then guys, go to the step number 1, protect your tweets. Then make sure to enable this step, because only show your tweets to people who follow you if selected. You will need to approve each new followers. It means only the people you follow can see your tweet. Then guys, when you make sure and when you enable this step, then go to photo tagging. Then tap on this photo tagging. As you see guys, when you turn on the photo tagging, then make sure to go to the last one, only people you follow can tag you. Then go to the second one. Now only the people you follow, then it's can, and only people you follow can tag in you on a tweet or a picture. As you see guys, now your account is completely private. Then no one can follow you or follow your tweet or see your tweet. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.